Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make lunch for one. The girls aren't going to eat what I'm going to make, so I'm making something separate for them. But I'm going to make a pasta dish with anchovies. Don't go away. I know anchovies aren't everybody's favorites, but it's delicious. Anchovies and brown butter, and it's really good. So come with me to my kitchen so we can cook. Are extra virgin olive oil. I'm going to put a little butter, I think. Garlic. Thin spaghetti. I asked for linguine and this is what they delivered, so we're using that. Anchovies, red pepper flakes, Parmesan, and salt. The salt is to add to our water. I've already done this. Our water's already boiling. So I'm getting enough pasta for one, maybe two people, so for me and leftovers. I'm going to stick it in the pot. I'm going to cook my pasta according to the directions. It says 6 to 7 minutes to perfect al dente. I love me some al dente pasta. So I'm going to make the sauce in the same pan. So I'm going to get that all ready and I'll see you back in 6 minutes. And now that that's done, I've drained the pasta. I'm putting half a tablespoon of butter in here. I want it to start browning, but I don't want it to burn, so I'm doing this on medium. This can burn very easily, guys, so you have to watch it. Now that it is turning brown, you see that difference? It smells really good. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil and the equivalent of a clove of garlic. I'm going to turn this down now because I want it to brown, but I don't want it to burn. So to this, I'm going to stick my anchovies. And you just want to mash them around, guys. Mash them around until they dissolve. We added another one in there, so there's 3. And now I'm going to add my red pepper flakes. To this, I'm going to add our pasta. Come on, pasta, come on. Sorry about that. Turning this off. See how it's not mixing? A little bit of the pasta water will help. And you get that all mixed up. To our pasta at this point, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. I've turned off the heat, by the way. And I'm going to mix that all up, and now we're ready to plate. All right, we're ready to taste. I'm gonna post the ingredients for, I think it's serving for 4 on the description, but I sized it down obviously for 1. And look, the pasta's nice and browned. Of course, I'm gonna put a picture in the video. Let's see. That's nice. Watch the salt water, guys, for the pasta because those anchovies are quite salty. But this is delicious. You don't have to put too much parm either because of the salty factor. I'm not big on anchovies all the time, but I was craving some this morning, and you know the girls aren't going to eat this. So they're eating their mac and cheese, and I'm making a little fancier treat for me. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit like down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Bon appetit!